In this video, I'm gonna share 3 tips to help you get your lawn looking its absolute best for this 4th of July weekend. If you're watching this, there's only about a week left between now and the 4th of July, so you don't have a lot of time to make changes. So, thing 1. First tip is don't try to make any major changes. Like you've got literally 5 or 6 days before the 4th of July. So if you're thinking about changing your height of cut or doing any other major changes to the lawn, any kind of thing that's drastic, primarily around like cutting heights, like I wouldn't do that this week. It's kind of unlikely that regardless of what you do to the lawn, that you're gonna be able to make a big change in the height of the cut, like cutting it a lot shorter, for example, and the lawn's gonna bounce back between now and then and still look good by the weekend. So the first tip is no major changes, nothing too drastic between now and the weekend. The second kind of ties into the first, and it's around mowing. The biggest thing that's gonna influence how your lawn looks, believe it or not, is how often you mow it. So let's say you've got a lawn that you're mowing at like 2 inches, right? You got a Bermuda grass lawn, you're mowing it a little bit higher for Bermuda, but it's 2 inches. I would keep just mowing it at that height multiple times this week leading up to the weekend. So if you're mowing at 2 inches, keep mowing it at 2 inches between now and the weekend. The one thing I would say though, if you're gonna keep doing that, so you're gonna follow this advice and you're gonna pick up your mowing frequency, is to vary that mowing direction. So don't always mow your lawn the same way, the same direction, same pattern each time. So let's say, you're gonna mow it Tuesday and then Thursday and Friday. So you're gonna figure out a way in your schedule to get 3 mows in between now and the weekend. Each time you mow, I would vary that direction. So maybe one time lengthwise, another one short side, then maybe that last time diagonally some sort. What that's gonna do is it's going to help you overall produce a tighter cut, even though you're mowing the lawn at the same height. The third thing, and it's gonna be kind of hard unless you already have it, is say around Thursday or so, introduce a liquid fertilizer, particularly one that has some iron in it, to really give that lawn that nice boost. In my case, I'm gonna be using Turfplex and nutri-solve on my lawn, but given that we're already in 4th of July week, if you were to order it, you're probably not gonna get it between now and the weekend. So at this point in the game, you kind of gotta go with something you can find locally or what you already have in your garage. But fertilizer with a little bit of nitrogen and definitely some iron over a couple of days is definitely gonna help the lawn pop a little bit more and just look a little bit better. So 1, no major changes. 2, pick up that mowing frequency. If you need some help with that and want to see what I'm talking about, I'm gonna have a video somewhere here on the screen, one of the cards you can click on that will show you a short video. I think it's only like 2 minutes. It's gonna tell you everything that I know in a very short compressed time frame on the benefits of varying your mowing frequency and how to go about doing that. And then third, apply a liquid fert, something that you've used in the past, you probably already have on hand. That will give you that little X factor leading up to the weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I wish all of you a safe and happy 4th of July. I will see you in the next video.